Parish in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for Central Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Central LN Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oakdale, Ville Platte, Mamou, Oberlin, Turkey Creek, Reeves, Nitty, Dry Creek, Pine Prairie, Alton Parish Airport, Bond, Beaver, Harmony, Riddle and Bayou Chico. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
No, that's not for us.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.